The world is changing faster than ever before, and at the heart of this transformation is AI, a force that's creating unprecedented wealth across the globe. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution. Right now, we're in the middle of a modern day gold rush, and whether it's employees doubling their income, entrepreneurs launching apps that generate money while they sleep, or massive corporations building the future with AI powered innovations, someone somewhere is making a fortune. And today I'm going to show you how AI is empowering people at every level to create wealth because you don't want to miss out on this. Trust me, welcome to my channel. If you haven't noticed by now, AI isn't just something on the horizon. It's already here and it's changing everything. It's not just reshaping our daily lives, it's reshaping our financial future. From individuals to industry giants, AI is enabling people to generate wealth like never before. Let's take a step back and consider how deep this gold rush really goes. Have you seen how every new AI tool comes with and double quotes .ai domain? Well, here's an interesting fact. That domain is registered under Anguilla, a small Caribbean island nation, which has made millions by selling domain names to startups riding the AI wave. Talk about a gold rush. But AI isn't just for tech giants or startup founders. You don't have to launch a new company or develop complex algorithms to tap into this wealth building potential. Many people are simply doing their jobs better, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. Take marketing professionals, for example. Their job used to mean long hours brainstorming ads, crafting presentations, and writing endless emails. Now, with AI tools like ChatGPT, they're completing these tasks in a fraction of the time, and with higher quality, AI unlocks a new level of productivity for everyday people, and the results are powerful. But here's the catch. For most people, just doing your job isn't enough anymore. The bar has been raised. If you're still working the same way you were last year, you're already falling behind. AI has changed the baseline. If you're not using AI to work smarter, faster, and more effectively, you're already becoming irrelevant. On the flip side, those who are leveraging AI to do more than just the basics are gaining an incredible edge, one that gives them a massive competitive advantage. Imagine a freelance web developer 2 years ago. Their workflow was completely different. Fast forward to today, and AI is helping them complete tasks in minutes that used to take hours. That's how much things have changed. So, if you're ready to take control of your future and unlock new possibilities, now is the time to start learning how to apply AI in your business or career. The opportunity is there, and it's wait in Imagine this. A few years ago, if a client requested a new feature, you'd have to dig through endless documentation, write the code from scratch, troubleshoot every bug, and test each line of code. It could take days, sometimes even weeks, just to ship a simple update. But today, you can simply tell a coding tool like GitHub or Cpilot what you need in plain language, and just like that, the tool generates everything for you. It's almost like magic, and suddenly you're handling 10 clients instead of 2 without sacrificing quality just by using the right tools. That's the power of AI. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or solo entrepreneur, AI isn't just a way to keep up, it's a way to completely transform how you work. It lets you scale your output, deliver exponentially more value, and yes, make a whole lot of money in the process. But here's the exciting part. AI is far more than just a productivity hack. It's not about adding a new button to a website or simply automating repetitive tasks. The true potential of AI is far beyond that. Think about it. AI powered chatbots don't need breaks, they don't complain, and they've got the answers to nearly every question you could ever ask. When you harness that kind of power, you realize that the AI gold rush is happening right now across every level of the economy. And if you can tap into it, you're looking at a once in a lifetime opportunity to build wealth like never before. So, how are people using AI to create scalable wealth? Let's break it down from the ground up, starting with the solo entrepreneur. You might be surprised to know that some of the most profitable businesses today are being run by a single person thanks to the power of AI. Imagine running a business where you don't have to hire a team of employees. Instead, you're using 10 tools that work like a full-fledged workforce. Take a fitness coach, for example. A few years ago, they were manually answering emails, writing reports, chasing clients, and managing every aspect of their business. Today, they're using AI to handle it all. AI generates personalized outreach emails, builds content calendars, writes newsletters, and even repurposes long videos into short clips for every social platform. But that's just the marketing side. On the operations side, AI tracks client data, flags potential issues before they happen, and auto-generates reports based on trends. It knows which clients are likely to drop off, which content gets the most engagement, and what offers are converting the best. And when it comes to service delivery, AI has taken it a step further. This fitness coach now has an AI-powered agent trained on their own knowledge base, meaning clients get answers to their questions 24/7 without the coach ever lifting a finger. Even client reports and progress updates are generated and sent out automatically. The real magic happens when AI transforms not just how you do business, but how you think about business. You're no longer just working harder or faster. You're reimagining the way everything works, how you interact with clients, how you scale your operations, and how you grow your revenue. This is the power of AI. It's not just about doing more work. It's about working smarter and building a business that runs itself. So if you're ready to break free from the traditional grind and tap into this limitless potential, now is the time to start learning how to apply AI in your business. The future is here. Let's start building it together. For you to take the leap, advantage used to belong to the big companies with deep pockets, the ones who could hire massive teams and scale quickly. But AI has completely flipped that script. The game has changed. It's no longer about the size of your staff or the scale of your operations. It's about stacking the right tools. This is the new era of entrepreneurship. One founder, 10 automations, and the potential for infinite reach. The people who get it are unlocking a level of leverage that most businesses still don't even know exists. Take a moment and think about that. With AI, you don't need a team of hundreds anymore. You just need the right systems in place to multiply your efforts. One such tool is Weak. Now, calling Weak an AI website builder doesn't do it justice. It's more like having an entire team designers, developers, and data-driven media strategists working for you 24/7. You simply tell Week about your business, and in less than 60 seconds, it generates a clean, SEO-optimized conversion ready. Now let's shift gears a bit and dive into something even more exciting, building AI tools. As the saying goes, during a gold rush, don't dig for gold, sell the shovels. For a long time, the only way to make money in tech was to raise a fortune, hire a team of developers, and spend months or even years building products from scratch. Not anymore. Today, anyone can get in on the action with what's called vibe coding. With tools like Cursor, Windsor, and Lovable, all you need to do is press record, start talking, and boom, you're building apps with zero coding required. Imagine this. A solo developer can create a tool that takes a YouTube video, transcribes it, and then cuts it into short, attention-grabbing clips, all while adding captions, emojis, and animations. A fitness coach could easily build a workout tracker tailored to their unique training style, or a financial advisor might create an app that gives users a wealth score based on their savings, lifestyle, and habits. The best part? You don't need investors, you don't need a team, you don't even need to know how to code. You just need to spot a problem, stitch together a solution, and ship it. These aren't massive, complex businesses, they're simple, single purpose tools that solve very specific problems with impressive efficiency. And the beauty of it all, these tools run themselves, no employees, no overhead, just pure, scalable business. Times have truly changed, but what's even more exciting is what's coming next. Now we're stepping into a world where AI isn't just a tool to build your app, but the actual foundation of the product itself. Let's take a look at some startups making waves. Companies like Rewind are creating AI-powered memory tools that actively record and organize everything you've ever seen, said, or heard on your computer. Imagine being able to search your entire digital life like Google for your brain. Runway is revolutionizing video production by enabling creators to generate complex visual effects and edits through simple text commands. These are just a few examples of how AI is changing everything, creating products that not only run on AI but are built to evolve alongside it. So, if you're ready to start thinking bigger about AI and how you can apply it to your own business, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're using AI to enhance your website or build powerful tools with no coding experience, AI is unlocking a world of opportunities. And trust me, you don't want to miss this wave. Let's take a moment to think bigger. We've been talking about the tools and the startups using AI to build incredible products, but now let's look at the real game changers. These are the companies training their own AI models, collecting unique data, and laying the foundation for the future. They're not just building products, they're shaping the rules for how the rest of us will work, create, and interact in the future. These are the pioneers, the ones who are planting the seeds of the next generation of tech giants. And because of this, the floodgates are open with investors pouring in. Why? Because these businesses are setting the standard for the AI economy. They're not just riding the wave, they're creating it. But what if you could take it one step further? What if, instead of just building products that you say you could build the AI that powers everything else? Now we're talking about a whole new level. Think about it. Companies like Google are developing their own AI models like Gemini and integrating them into every corner of their ecosystem: docs, sheets, email, search. They're turning their entire product suite into an intelligent assistant that's changing the way we work. Then there's Anthropic, building Claude, an AI model designed to be safer, more reliable, and specialized in complex tasks like math and coding. And of course, we can't forget OpenAI, the trailblazers who started this entire revolution with ChatGPT. These companies aren't just solving specific problems like video editing or customer service, they're thinking on an entirely different scale, building the very infrastructure that everyone else builds on top of. If you think of the AI economy like a city, these companies are the electricity. It doesn't matter what kind of building you put up, you're still going to need to plug into the power grid, and that's why the money is flooding into this space like we've never seen before, because whoever controls the foundational AI models controls the entire ecosystem. But we're not done yet. We've talked about the tools, the startups, and the AI models, but there's another layer to this economy that most people don't even think about. It's the companies behind the companies, the ones providing the raw computing power, designing the chips, and running the factories that turn all these ideas into reality. These are the companies making the most money from the AI gold rush, and without them, the entire revolution simply wouldn't exist. Behind the scenes, three major players are quietly powering the entire AI industry, and trust me, they are making a fortune. So, if you want to know where the real money is, this is where you need to look. Let's take a moment to understand the true giants behind the AI revolution. These aren't the companies you see in the headlines every day, but they're the ones shaping the future and raking in unimaginable profits while doing it. First up is ASML, a Dutch company with a near total monopoly on the most advanced machine in the world. We're talking about a machine that costs over $200 million, takes years to build, and relies on a global network of 5,000 suppliers to function. It's called an ultraviolet lithography system, basically, a giant laser that carves billions of transistors into chips only a few atoms wide. And these chips, they're what power AI. Without ASML, there would be no chips, and without chips, there's no AI. It's that simple. ASML is the only company that can create these lasers, which means they can charge astronomical prices for them. Think about that. No ASML, no chips, no AI. But we're not done yet. Enter TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, the world's most advanced chip maker. TSMC is ASML's biggest client, but instead of inventing the chips themselves, TSMC mass produces them for companies like Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, and Google. Every time a company needs the world's most powerful silicon, They come to TSMC. In the AI gold rush, ASML makes the equipment, TSMC runs the mine, and it's the most profitable mine in the tech world. In 2024 alone, TSMC made over $35 billion in profit because without them, the entire AI ecosystem would come to a grinding halt. If they stop, everything stops. It's as simple as that. And finally, let's talk about NVIDIA, a company you've probably heard of. They started out by building GPUs for gamers, but they quickly realized something incredible. Their chips had the unique ability to process massive amounts of data simultaneously. Turns out, this is exactly what AI companies like OpenAI need to train their models. Today, NVIDIA basically controls the computing layer of AI. Their chips like the H100 are the backbone of modern AI training. ChatGPT, Google, Meta, even Elon Musk's new Grow 3 AI, all of them are powered by NVIDIA's chips. NVIDIA's market cap recently soared past $3 trillion, not because of gaming, but because every major AI player on the planet depends on their technology. NVIDIA has built the infrastructure that supports the future of AI. Without NVIDIA, AI as we know it simply wouldn't function. So, here's the breakdown. ASML owns the light that etches the chips. TSMC owns the factories that scale them, and NVIDIA owns the power that drives the entire AI ecosystem. These companies aren't just part of the infrastructure, they are the infrastructure in the AI gold rush. Everyone's out there chasing gold, but the real money isn't being made by the diggers or even the ones selling the shovels. The real money is being made by those who are literally building the ground everyone else is digging on. While everyone fights for their piece of the pie, these three are collecting their share no matter who wins. It's crazy how fast things are changing, right? The future of AI is unfolding before our eyes, and if you understand the mechanics behind it, you'll be in a prime position to build your own wealth. The AI economy is still just getting started, and now is the perfect time to get in. If you're ready to level up your understanding of AI and start applying it to your business, there's no better time than now. Imagine the possibilities. AI isn't just something for tech giants, it's for anyone who wants to innovate, grow, and scale their business, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. The AI revolution is unfolding at lightning speed, and now is the time to get involved. Whether you're looking to enhance your business, create something new, or simply understand the future of technology, AI offers endless opportunities. The landscape is changing, and the question is, will you be a part of it? Remember, the future is shaped by those who are ready to adapt and innovate. So don't just watch from the sidelines, take action, explore the possibilities, and let AI help you unlock your next level of success. If you found this video inspiring and want to keep learning more about how AI can transform your business and life, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.